welcome to school.
Yes, 20 minutes, please. I'll be there. Thank you.
Good morning, brother.
You are very good to see you this morning, brother. Yes, we are from the Jehovah Witness, and we are here this morning to share the good news with you. Yes,
You know,
my name is Brother David.
Sir, hello, sir.
Huh?
Hello, sir. Please. I'm running late for an interview. Please. I don't have time for this.
No,
Tomorrow.
Stand
You
up.
should come tomorrow.
No, stand up. What we want, just 1 minute.
One
Just
minute.
give us 1
We
minute
don't
of your
need more than 1
time.
minute.
That's all.
Okay, you are in hurry to go to work. Did you consider God this morning? Did you consider God? Don't you know that work they can sack you?
Oh, yeah. Let's.
Okay. Thank
You know
you.
God
Thank you
cannot-
for giving us 1
No,
minute.
there's no problem.
Yes.
That's why people will sit down.
Thank you very much. Yes.
This brother has changed.
Yes.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Brother.
Jesus is Lord.
Every time in this Lagos, Jehovah Witness will not let me rest. You will not only 1 minute.
Hold on. Let me check very well.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? What?
Hi guys, my name is Neola. Keep watching School 2 Comedy.
School 2.